everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make spicy Korean cucumber salad. You can think of it as a very quick cucumber kimchi, and it goes really well with warm rice or Korean barbecue, and it's a really popular dish in the summer. So first, you can use pickled cucumbers that are used for pickles, or you can use any type of cucumbers that are seasonal. I picked out an English cucumber here, but it should be really firm and crispy and crunchy. So let's cut it up. Okay, I'm gonna cut the cucumber in half like this, and then we're gonna cut it diagonally, just slice it. Okay, now the cucumbers are all sliced nicely on the diagonal. One tip, you can actually salt the cucumber for a few minutes if you like, and let it just sit in the salt for 5 to 10 minutes. It adds an extra crunch to the cucumbers. But if you don't have time, that's okay. So I'm gonna season it now. I added a little bit of salt. I'm gonna add some pepper. And I'm going to add some other additional vegetables here. Okay, so I cut up one onion. White onion is great. And I have spring onions. I like to use the white part, but you can also add the green. So that's about half a cup. Not quite half a cup. You definitely need garlic to spice it up. About 2 big cloves of garlic, but of course you can add more. Okay, it's up to you how much garlic you like in your salad. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of sugar. You can add more if you want a sweeter taste. Now for the sauce. Okay, so for the sauce, I have here Korean gluten-free soy sauce. It's one of my favorite soy sauces. You can also mix it, or if you don't like soy sauce, you can use fish sauce. I usually put both. And I also found another nice soy sauce here. It's made with kelp broth. Okay, so experiment with the soy sauces. So I'm gonna add about a tablespoon here of soy sauce, and 1 or 2 drops of fish sauce here, just to add an extra boost of umami flavor. Okay? And then we're going to add a little bit of sesame oil. Again, maybe half a teaspoon or so. You can omit the sesame oil if you don't want any oil in the salad. I like it to just balance out the flavor. And then of course it's really important to add rice vinegar, okay? It's one of my favorite brands, and you just add about a tablespoon. That's probably plenty. And if you don't like spicy, you can probably just eat it like this, but the real flavorful and best part, I think, is Korean chili powder. It's gochugaru. And again, you season it to your taste. I like it really spicy. So I'm going to add 1 large teaspoon, 2, and 3, at least 3 large teaspoons of Korean chili powder, gochugaru. And you can get this at any Asian market nowadays. And we're going to mix it up. I'm gonna taste it and see how it is. Perfect. So here you have spicy Korean cucumber salad. It's like a very quick cucumber kimchi and perfect accompaniment to rice and Korean barbecue or any type of barbecue in the summer, or just eat it like this. It's delicious, and I hope you make it soon. Please go to my website koreaconnect.com for more information and enjoy Korean cooking. Bye!